हाय एवरीवन। आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं शॉर्ट इंस्पायरेशनल मोरल स्टोरीज अ फार्मर एंड हिज सन्स। ये स्टोरी उर्दू में तो आपने बहुत सुनी होगी, आज इंग्लिश में भी। Once there was a farmer. He lived in a village. He had 3 sons who always quarreled with one another. The farmer got very sick. He was very upset because of his son's attitude. One day the farmer brought a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break it. They tried their best but could not do so. Then the farmer untied the bundle. He told them to break the sticks. They broke them easily. The farmer said, "United we stand, divided we fall." His sons learned a lesson and began to live in peace. The moral of the story: Union is strength. Union is strength.